Inkundla ephakamileyo ePitoli isijikile isigqibo sesebe lemfundo esiseko sokungapapashi iziphumo zabafundi bematriki kumaphephandaba. Ukanti isithethi selesebe umnumzana Elijah Mhlanga uphefumule wenjenje ngesigwebo senkundla.
We are relieved that the court has clarified the matter. The department always sought to comply with the Protection of Personal Information Act, and we did not oppose the matter because we needed to be told what we should do, but in making the decision we read and sought legal opinion in terms of what we needed to do to comply with the act, and we best believe that the court was the right platform or the right forum to tell us what to do.
Kumaphepha enkundla iAfriforum iye yathyola isebe lemfundo esiseko kungasicingisi isigqibo.
Those results should not be put under the carpet. We should celebrate with them. They can keep a newspaper to show their children one day that their results were in the newspaper. The same for the media. We know that the print media especially, they are struggling, and this is also an impetus for the media. When they publish these results, it grows circulation numbers.
Nangona kunjalo lisebe lithi likulungele ukupapasha iziphumo zabafundi bematriki ngolwesine waleveki.
The court is clear that we need to continue in the same way that we had been using in the past 6-7 years of using examination numbers, and we'll be doing exactly that. So the system is ready. What we need to do now is to communicate with our media partners and tell them that the same old format which we used to make the results available to them will be applicable this time as well. So we are not changing anything. We have been communicating with them in anticipation of this particular court ruling.
Kusenjalo umlawuli inhloko yeAfriforum uKhali Kriel uthi isigwebo senkundla impumelelo kwabo ababandakanyekayo ingakumbi abafundi bematriki.